Hello and Happy New Year! It's our first video of the brand new year and it's a fun winter activity. So we are going to be making some fake snow today. All you need is baking soda, cornstarch, and water. We're going to start with 1 cup of baking soda. And to that, we are going to add 1 cup of cornstarch. And to that, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of water. All right, this is where it gets messy. You wanna mix up your cornstarch and your baking soda and your water and just kind of eyeball it. See if you need any more water. You want it to kind of stick together so it's kind of like snow. Okay, I think mine needs a little bit more water. So you can use however much cornstarch and baking soda as you want. They just have to be equal parts. So that's why I did 1 cup of each. And then you just kind of eyeball it with the water situation. You don't want to put too much water because then it kind of turns into oobleck, which is fine, but we're going for some fake snow here. Okay, so I have added probably a total of 2.5 teaspoons of water to my mixture. So here is my snow, and then you can kind of crumble it around. If you want to try to build a snowman, whatever you want to do. If you want to put different things in the snow and hide it in there, up to you. You can drive some cars through it if you have little cars. This is a very messy project, just so you know, but it's a really fun sensory activity, and well, it's a nice way to play in the snow inside the warmth of your own home. Even though going outside in the real snow is also quite fun, but if you don't have snow, well, this is kind of the next best thing. And I do want to just show you more of an experiment, since this is also science. What happens if we do add a lot more water? I'm just gonna pour a bunch in here just so you can kind of see. Kind of starts to turn into what I like to call oobleck, where it gets a little liquidy and runny and kind of like slimy. Ooh. So have at it. Play around, experiment, add as much or as little as water as you want to. Build a snowman. You do you. Have fun, enjoy, and happy winter time.